Hi there, welcome to part 1 of a 10-part series on everything that you need to know about maintenance care. I'm Devon Hennig with SelectHub, and I'm here to give you a detailed tour and my honest, unbiased opinions about maintenance care, the platform, the pricing, the alternatives, and more. If you're considering maintenance care, do not make a decision until after you've watched this series. Also, if you're more of a bookworm than a binge watcher, good news. I've written out the entire series and published it on SelectHub.com. Check out the link in the description. In this episode, we answer the question, what does maintenance care do? Let's dig into it. Maintenance care simplifies the management of maintenance tasks within an organization. It helps businesses ensure that their equipment, vehicles, and facilities are properly maintained, which can help to prevent unexpected failures, meet strict compliance and preventative maintenance standards, and improve overall operational efficiency. Here are some of the key functions of maintenance care's platform. Number 1. Scheduling and tracking maintenance tasks. Maintenance care allows teams to schedule routine inspections and preventative maintenance work. It can also help manage and keep track of these tasks, helping to ensure that no necessary work is missed. Number 2, work order management. Maintenance care helps teams quickly create, assign, and track work orders so important maintenance tasks are completed on time. Number 3, asset management. With Maintenance Care's CMMS, staff can keep a detailed record of all machinery, equipment, or other assets in an organization. This can include information like the date of purchase, expected lifespan, maintenance history, and more, which helps businesses plan for replacements and avoid unexpected equipment failures. Number 4, inventory management. With maintenance care, you can track all parts and materials used for maintenance, so necessary supplies are always on hand. It can also send alerts when inventory is low, helping to avoid delays in repairs. Number 5, regulatory compliance. For organizations in regulated industries, Maintenance Care's CMMS can help ensure compliance with maintenance-related regulations by providing records of all required activities. Number 6, reporting and analysis. Maintenance Care's system can generate detailed reports on maintenance activities, costs, and more. This data helps businesses track patterns, track performance, and make informed decisions about maintenance processes. By integrating these key aspects of maintenance into a single system, Maintenance Care can help organizations increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve the reliability of their assets. Many CMMS platforms can achieve the outcomes I just listed. However, there are several key differences that Maintenance Care claims to offer over its competitors, including the following. Number 1, ease of use. One of Maintenance Care's core differentiators is its ease of use. Make no mistake, it's incredibly robust, but all of its intelligent workflows operate under the hood. Maintenance teams are able to focus on their daily workloads without having to learn complicated technical software. Number 2, impressive integrations. Maintenance Care integrates with Zapier to allow you to connect to thousands of other applications and develop automated workflows. You can also connect with Alexa. Alexa, what are my latest tasks? Temperature sensors, and even 3D VR to map out entire buildings in 3D and tag equipment in order to easily see the history of that equipment. And as if that's not enough, there's also an open API available for developers to pull data and customize it to their heart's content. Number 3, unlimited users, affordable pricing. The way Maintenance Care's pricing works, they don't charge per user. You pay one licensing fee and you're able to create roles for unlimited users. There are no long-term contracts, and as of the date of this video, they've never increased pricing on their existing customer base in 20 plus years, meaning whatever price they tell you, you can be pretty sure that's what you're gonna pay. Number 4, improved decision making. Maintenance Care can help you make better business decisions and find out where critical issues might be lurking. For example, if there's a light bulb you're always changing, you'll be able to easily see all the tasks for that one bulb and determine if it's worth investigating for electrical issues. Plus, every task has an audit log that tracks every single change, and it's recorded forever. You'll always have the history of what happened, and No one can accidentally delete the data, which is crucial for government buildings, healthcare, and other sectors. Number 5, true partnership. Maintenance Care cares deeply about setting you up for success. Onboarding and initial training cost only a couple $100s, and you can get fully set up for less than $500. They'll do all the work setting up your users, customizing preventative maintenance settings, and even hosting multiple training sessions remotely. There you go, what in the world Maintenance Care does. For the rest of this series, including a teardown of Maintenance Care's pricing and their alternatives, check out the links in the description. If you're at the point you just want to talk to someone or see Maintenance Care in action, get a demo in the description or download our CMMS resources. They're great if you're still in the research phase of your buying journey. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. Have a good one. Cheers.